In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Grok app not working. First, press and hold the Grok app icon, then tap the info icon to open app info. From there, tap Force Stop and confirm. Next, tap Storage and Cache, then select Clear Cache to remove temporary files that may be causing issues. After that, go back and tap Permissions. Make sure Grok has all the permissions it needs to function properly. Now, scroll down and tap App Details and Store. If an update is available, install it, as updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. Once you've done that, restart your device and open Grok again to see if the issue has been resolved. If the app is still not working, check your internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also uninstall and reinstall the app to get a fresh installation. And that's how you can fix the Grok AI app not working issue. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials.